Hey guys, welcome back to Smoothie TV. And as you can see, we're playing the Angry Birds Obby, which means obstacle course. All right. So we're playing the Angry Birds obstacle course, and yeah, let's go. So I've been playing a lot of Obby in Roblox, and I really like it, And uh, when I thought of this episode, I was actually thinking about what I'm gonna do next for a video, and I played escaping the hospital and escape the iPhone as my two previous videos, and I wanted to play other games other than escaping OB games. But there's something in OB and escape games that some creativity that's not there in other games. I also play a bit of tycoon. You know, building and all. I don't know how to explain it. And yeah, so let's concentrate on this OB right now. Whoa, all right. Uh, Wait, I'm getting points randomly. Are you kidding me? Oh, alright. Never mind. Dude, I'm getting points randomly. Like, alright. So this is the escape the angry bird obby. I don't get any of this. Is there a piggy, like a bad piggy in Angry Birds, or like what is this? I don't even know. Alright, dude, I'm just getting points by collecting these stars. Like, alright. So this is not a long obby. I guess I can finish this in this episode. All right. All right. All right. And I know I'm just a beginner on YouTube, and I'm not that funny and not that creative. But still, I'm trying to improve my stamina while recording a video. That's what I'm trying to do. So I thought to myself, the next time I play Roblox, an OB game, an escape game, I like try to do challenges. Like each time I die, I need to do that, do this. I guess that'd be entertaining. I don't know. Uh, I know there's not a lot of people watching me, but if you're watching what just happened, all right. If you're watching me, watching my videos, please comment. What should I do? You know. Oh, there was a hole here. That's why I fell. All right. Comment that what should I do? Just to improve my videos. And yeah, again, as I mentioned in my first episode, escape the iPhone. I don't really know what to talk while gaming. I just talk about random things. Other than what I'm playing, I don't know why. All right, looks like I can finish this obby real quick, cause this is not that hard. As you can see, it's not that hard. I'm getting random points. Uh, I'm at stage, dude. I'm at stage 22. It's been like I don't know, 3 minutes while this video started, and I reached stage 22. Sweet. All right, collect the star, jump, and dude, as you can see the bottom, I'm just randomly getting points. I don't mind. I don't mind getting points. Just you know. Oh, all right. Uh, what are these supposed to? What isn't this supposed to be an iPhone? I mean the Angry Birds hobby. What are these? The fact about some Roblox game. Some Roblox games. They'll be like uh, escape the like, for example, I don't know, something like that. Um, but still, I'm not getting this. Isn't this supposed to be an Angry Birds hobby? What? What are these? Like seriously. Alright. Jump here. I'm gonna I got an itch. Oh, alright. Go. Oh, easy, easy, easy. Uh, mm. Oh, alright. Made that. What's this? Oh no. Is this a maze? Please don't tell me this is a maze. Nope, that was definitely not a maze, because that was too easy. Uh, alright. What? Oh my god, I fell on the last part. Alright, no mind. Let's go again. Alright. Wait, what? Alright. Um, what are these stairs? Alright. So, alright, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. The real reason for me to start a YouTube channel was, yes, you guys gotta believe me, was for fun. Alright, nothing else, was for fun. I just, wanted to do something in my spare time. I was really bored. I mean, yeah, I play games, watch TV, I don't know, play football, but I needed to do something else, something a bit more creative. So yeah, that's why I picked this YouTube stuff, and that's why I haven't, got the, text taking stuff, like the game capture device, and you know what I mean. All right. All right. Let's let's just complete this level real quick. I'm getting better and better in Roblox, like in every episode. I'm getting better and better. I guess I guess so. That's what I think. What do you guys think? Am I getting better? Hmm. What? Oh, what, dude? What was my perfect? What was my? No, I can't even talk. Like, I'm so concentrated on the game, and suddenly I die. I can't even talk. Whoa! I fell down. Uh. Oh, dude. What? Why am I jumping off? Like, seriously? All right. All right. Concentrate a bit more. All right. Oh. And also, like, these kind of levels where the path is really narrow and you gotta concentrate really, you know really concentrate, and when you reach the last part, you like die suddenly. That really pisses you off. Like, really, you'd be like, what? I came all this way to die like that. Oh my god, I died at the last part. Dude, I don't even care. I'm gonna assume that I'm gonna be stuck here for, like, I don't know, 2 to 3 minutes at this particular stage. Alright. Don't think so. Don't think so. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it, alright? I'm gonna make it. Hmm. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, whoa, I nearly died. Alright. Take it. Taking it cool. Oh. Alright. Please. Please don't die. Oh, finally. So, I'm gonna assume that I can't touch the red blocks. That's gonna kill me. Should I try it? No, no. No, no, I'm not gonna risk it. Uh, alright, alright. Didn't die. That's piece of cake. Piece of cake. Alright. So just, don't really need to jump. Just walk down. What are these supposed to be? Should I wait, what? You kidding me? Alright. Oh, whoa, whoa, going fast, going fast. Alright, alright. Made that. I was supposed to fail that. I mean, like that stages, I was supposed to fail that. I don't know how I made it. Like, all right. Should I walk at the? Wait, what? So I can't cheat. Like, can I walk to the side? Oh, smart. Oh, that's smart. All right. They made the side like, you can't step on the side. They made it smart. Oh, there's the a bad piggy just lying there. All right. Oh, you see. That's why I try to cheat. All right. That's why I try to cheat. I jump right into the hole. Like what? All right. All right. Just don't suck. Oh. D oh my. All right. All right. Just don't rage. Don't rage. Oh, what? Did I didn't jump off? Like, my. Whew, all right. Oh. 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 Hey. All right. So next stage, dude. I'm at stage 43. Like this quick. I don't know when this is gonna get end. Like I don't know how long this episode is gonna be. I need to set a time. Like when the video start. I mean when the video ends. A limit. Like when you start YouTube, the limit is like 15 minutes. Well, you can increase the limit by checking the terms of service. I don't know how. I just did it. So yeah, you can increase the limit, but I need to set my own limit. All right, or else my video is gonna be too long. And whoa, what's happening? And my video is gonna be too long, and people won't like sit that long to watch a stupid video. All right, I'm nearly. I guess I'm nearly at the end. So yeah, I guess I can complete this in this episode. Yep, I can. I can. I can't. All right. Hmm. And sometimes when I play Roblox, the game just lags up. Why do I keep falling at that part? All right. Sometimes when I play Roblox, the game like lags are. Oh, these platforms make you go automatically. All right. Yeah, that makes sense. So, so what I was about to say is, um, when I play Roblox, the game just like lags out and glitches. And when I'm about to reach the final level, the game just lags out, and I just lost the kind of connection to the game. Roblox players, I'm talking to you. All right, when you all right, when you play Roblox players, all right, when you play this game, does this happen to you? Like when you playing when you are playing, the game just shows you that you have lost connection to the game. It really annoys you. Like when you're about to finish the level, it shows like you lost connection to the game, and you're super pissed off. I never like that. Oh, all right. I'm needed to finish. All right. I just need to go around that and yeah, finish it. All right. These kind of levels are really easy. Yeah, made that. Oh my god, I can't even see it properly. Just kidding. All right. What? Oh, so this is gonna take too long. Like, oh my god. Wait, it's not about that. I know this one's gonna take too long. Like, um, you gotta go to the edges to pass that, and it's gonna take me way too long. So I'm just gonna keep jumping so that I don't die real quick. All right, all right. Nothing's impossible. All right, so I died in midair. That makes a lot of sense. All right, so yeah, continue this. So do what? I I know this is gonna take me way too long. Like, I'm I'm trying to what? I'm trying to finish this level finish this game as fast as I can to end the video. I'm not rushing. All right, I'm not rushing. Just I just don't want to make the video too long. I just don't want to make the video too long. All right. So focus here. Go through that. Please don't die. Oh my god, I made it. So apparently it didn't take me way too much time. Um, as you saw, and I made this one. So I can't touch the yellow part, and I touched it, and I died. Wow. Okay. Whoa. 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 Alright. Oh, one of these levels again. Oh my god. No, this one's not that hard. Alright. Oh, that was easy. And this is way too easy. Dude, what? Alright. Alright. Oh, thank god I made it. Oh, I died. I died. Oh my. I died at that part. Oh my god, dude. Just. Oh. Guys, I'm serious. As I mentioned before in this video, um, at the next episode, I'm gonna do like in a Obby or escape game, and each time I die, a challenge. I'm gonna do a challenge like, eating pepper, and there's a lot of pepper in my home, a really 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 hot pepper. What? Am I retarded? I just keep falling. Right. So as I said, I will be doing another challenge in the next episode. Dude, this is like the easiest level in the whole game. Why do I keep dying here? I don't really, I don't think I should do the pepper challenge. Like, that'll be like, classic. That'll be too much. Uh, oh, wait a second. Oh, this is the end, alright. Do you get walking speed? Like, do you get that? Alright, this is speed 1. Oh no, this is way too slow, man. Alright, speed 10. Speed 100. That's it. Whoa, whoa, no, that's not it. Alright. I always want to do this, like, alright. I just need speed 25. That's about it. No, 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 no. Speed 50. Alright. That's perfect. Alright. So take these things and just, check out other people, how they're doing. As you can see, this is the Angry Bird, which we struggle to reach. Wait, what's dude, what's happening to me? Alright, cool. So this is the Angry Bird, which we've been struggling to get in. So yeah, I'm just gonna look at other players, how they're doing. Alright, just alright. I don't see anyone. Oh, there's some player. Dude, I'm just gonna be a total douchebag. Um, I'm gonna take the rainbow path. Wait, I didn't take the rainbow path. Shit. All right, lightning path. I'm just building a wall of lightning, so he can't get in. All right. Oh, he got in. Never mind. So yeah. I don't know what to do. I completed the level. There's not a lot of players here. So yeah. So that was escaping. I mean, what? All right. Angry Birds Obby. Um. Wait, is that a player? Oh no, that's not a player. All right. So this was Angry Birds Obby. And I'll see you guys next time. Wait, dude. I'm just like really messing up right now. I don't really know what my outro should be. You know what? I'll just figure it out later. I just say something right now. All right. um, this was Angry Birds Obi. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time at Smoothie TV. Bye. Woo! That was too inappropriate. I died. All right, all right. For real. Bye.